Welcome to the Best Picks. The best power cord is probably one of the most overlooked components when setting up your Xbox One S. But trust me, a reliable power cord is absolutely crucial for uninterrupted gaming sessions. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of power cords, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your console running smoothly and safely, so you can focus on what really matters, conquering those virtual worlds. Number 5. Power cord for Xbox PlayStation consoles, 5 feet. This power cord is designed for a wide range of devices. It's compatible with your Xbox and PlayStation consoles, and many other electronics. It's a convenient and reliable replacement. The cord features a 2-slot design, 18 AWG wire, and supports 125V10A. It's 5 feet long, providing ample reach. This ensures it can handle the power needs of your devices. It works with Xbox One S, Xbox One X, PS2, PS3, PS4 Slim, PSP, and PSV consoles. You can also use it for printers, soundbars, and other devices. It's a versatile power solution. It's small, portable, and ready to use right away. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. It might be a little snug at first, but it will fit perfectly after a few uses. The cord offers overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. It provides a safe and secure power supply. You can use it with peace of mind. We rigorously test this product before it ships. It's a great gift for anyone. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution. What we like. This power cord is compatible with a wide range of devices, making it a versatile choice. It also offers overheat, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, ensuring your devices are safe. If you are looking for a reliable and safe power cord for multiple devices, this is the one for you. What people say. What I like about this product is that it's compatible with my other devices and gaming consoles, and it works well, I meant excellent. The cord has been holding strong, and powering my PS3. This works perfectly. Number 4. Xbox One S 2-prong power cord replacement. Are you looking for a replacement power cord for your Xbox One S? This is a 2-prong AC power cord, designed specifically for your console. It's a reliable solution to keep your gaming going. This power cord is a universal replacement. It features a 2-prong NEMA 1-15P male plug to a female IEC 320C7 connector. It's designed to fit your Xbox One S perfectly. Safety is a priority. This power cord is made with a fully molded design for long-lasting strength and performance. It's rated to carry 10A, 7A 125V, ensuring safe and reliable power delivery. The 8.2-foot length provides flexibility in your setup. You can easily place your console where you want without being restricted by a short cord. It gives you the freedom to set up your gaming area. The package includes one 2-prong replacement power cord. It's the perfect solution if you've lost or damaged your original cord. Get back to gaming with this essential accessory. What we like. This power cord comes with an 8.2-foot length, providing more flexibility in your setup. It features a durable, fully molded design for long-lasting performance. If you need a longer cord to reach your console or want a reliable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. Works exactly as expected. Works like it came in the original box. Number 3. AC power cord for Xbox, PlayStation consoles. This power cord is designed to work with a wide range of devices. It's a replacement for game consoles, TVs, printers, and more. If your device uses a 2-slot power cord, this is likely the one you need. It fits Xbox One S, Xbox One X, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and various PlayStation models. This includes PS3 Slim and Super Slim, PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS5. However, it is important to note that it does not fit the original PS3 Fat or older PS4 Pro models. Please be aware that this cord is not compatible with the original Xbox One. Also, make sure to check the pictures to confirm compatibility before you buy it. This is a non-polarized 2-prong figure 8 power cord. It's an IEC 320C7 to NEMA 1-15P type, 18 AWG, 125V7A. It is designed to provide reliable power to your devices. The power cord is UL listed, which means it has been tested and certified for safety. You can rest assured that it is safe for you and your devices. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month free replacement warranty. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us, and we will do our best to assist you. What we like. This power cord is universally compatible with many devices. It is also UL listed for safety, giving you peace of mind. If you value safety and need a cord that works with multiple consoles, you should consider this one. What people say. The cord is well built and feels sturdy, with a solid connection that doesn't wiggle or come loose during use. The length is just right, providing plenty of flexibility for different setups without being overly bulky. One of the standout features is the universal compatibility. It's a huge convenience to have one cord that works seamlessly across multiple gaming systems. Number 2. AC power cord for PS5, PS4, Xbox Series. This AC power cord is designed to work with a wide range of devices. It is compatible with your PS5, PS4, and various Xbox models. It's a versatile solution for your gaming needs. Besides game consoles, this power cord also works with other devices. It can power your LED TVs, monitors, sound bars, and printers. It's a handy cable to have around. Rest assured, this power cord is UL listed for your safety. It has been tested and certified to ensure the safety of you and your devices. You can use it with confidence. The cord is a 2-slot, 18 AWG cable, rated for 125V and 7A. It is 6 feet long, providing ample reach. It's built to deliver reliable power. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month free replacement. If you have any issues, please contact us. We are here to help resolve any problems you may encounter. What we like. This power cord is compatible with a wide range of devices and is UL listed for safety. It also comes with a 6-foot length. If you want a safe and reliable power cord with a good length, this is a great choice. What people say. This cable worked like a champ for my PS5 Pro. The UL certification is a must-have for this type of cable. This cord works on Xboxes, jump boxes, and tons of other electronics. Compatible and works great. Cord length is just right for my setup. Looks and feels of good quality. Number 1. Universal AC power cord for consoles and devices. This power cord is ETL certified, meeting strict US safety standards. It provides enhanced protection for your devices during charging and everyday use. It's perfect for homes with children or sensitive electronics. This cord works with a wide range of devices, including Xbox Series XS, PS5, PS4, PS3, TVs, monitors, and printers. It's designed to fit most figure 8-port devices, making it a versatile choice for your electronics. Featuring a 4-foot, non-polarized 2-prong cable, this cord is built to last. Its compact and flexible design makes it ideal for use in tight spaces or when traveling. It's a reliable solution for your power needs. Purchase with confidence knowing this product is backed by a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. We're committed to your satisfaction and offer comprehensive support. You're covered with this purchase. The package includes one ETL-listed AC power cord, measuring 4 feet in length. Before ordering, ensure your device uses AC 7-figure 8-port. If you're unsure, our support team is ready to help you. What we like. This power cord is ETL certified for safer use, meeting rigorous US safety standards. It's also designed to be durable and compact. If you have kids or sensitive electronics, or if you like a compact design, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works as advertised. I wasn't sure I could find this type of adapter, but I did, and it works well. No issues so far, power not a problem. Works great. Exactly what you need if you lost or broke your power cord. Easy to plug in. Fits, works, and placed much higher. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.